Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's a normally session never and see. Right from when Mazi KANU appears before the court, a lot of compromises issues happened. A lot of people has been saying things upside down, but nevertheless, that is the reason why you have Progress the Analyst, because I am here to analyze up the update to you back to back. I'm here to tell you everything that happened, the ones you don't know are the ones you will love to hear. Now sit back, watch this video, make sure you share this video, and I'll be right back. So this is just all about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Ohanaeze Ndigbo and the barrister, the special counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu barrister Aloy Ejimakor. Now this is what the Ohanaeze Ndigbo got to say, and this is what the response from Barrister Aloy Ejimakor looks like. He said, grant Nnamdi Kanu political pardon. The evil say pardon. This is coming from Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Grant Nnamdi Kanu political pardon for Nigerians' independence anniversary. Ohanaeze Ndigbo tell Tinubu Abba. The Ohanaeze Ndigbo has begged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to pardon Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. According to the report for Sahara Reporters, he said that the Igbo social group organization Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide has asked President Bola Tinubu to grant the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, a political pardon as part of Nigeria's 64th independence anniversary. Abba. This appeal was made by Chief Okeke Ogene, the National Vice President of Ohanaeze Ndigbo in Awka, Anambra State capital, on Tuesday. While addressing journalists, he stated that the Nigerians across the country mark Nigeria's 64th independence anniversary. He stressed that release Kanu could pave the way for peace, help identify those responsible for violence, and ultimately end the troubling sit-at-home order in the southeast. Ogene said our primary request this Independence Day is for the president to embrace the spirit of celebration by granting a political pardon to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, currently held in DSS detention. Ohanaeze believe in the strength of Nigeria democracy, and we are convinced that Kanu's release will fasten peace and unity among all Nigerians in Igbo land, he said. Ogene also asked President Tinubu to take swift action that would bring hope and relief to millions of Nigerians facing insecurity, hunger, and various socio-economic challenges, stressing the need for the country to accelerate its development. He also called on Southeast governors to maintain the region's security framework and prioritize the welfare of its people. Now, this one did not go well with a lot of people because they are thinking that the Ohanaeze Ndigbo are begging President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They even use the word pardon to pardon Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So there's a lot of reactions from the Igbo Biafrans, from the world in general. Everybody is just saying that why will Ohanaeze Ndigbo use the word pardon? That when they say pardon, it means that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has committed a crime that is known to law, knowing fully well that there is a lot of circulation everywhere that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu haven't committed any crime known to law, because he is fighting for his people. He is fighting for a better country, especially if you are living in the southeastern part of Nigeria, or you are from the southeastern part of Nigeria, believing that they are the third-class citizen, not treated like a first-class citizen, and they believe that they have equal rights with whosoever that is treated as a first-class citizen. Now, without wasting much of your time, we just want to go into the response from Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, because Barrister Aloy Ejimakor did not just take it lightly with them, because he believed that what they are saying about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not right, and the belief they have about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not also right, that the Ohanaeze Ndigbo should not speak as if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has committed the crime. Fronting his remark, Ejimakor said, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, it's shocking that you are asking for pardon for someone who is not yet convicted. Pardon is for convicted fellow and it will never arise in this case because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed no crime by demanding political justice for his people. This is the response for Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has not committed any crime. So why will the Ohanaeze Ndigbo pleading with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to pardon Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, knowing fully well that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu haven't committed any crime known to law? So why would Ohanaeze Ndigbo conclude that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should pardon Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? He asked a lot of questions that is there any occasion or any time that they went to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu admitted that of a truth I committed this crime. Even the appearance of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he made a lot of revelation that he haven't done anything, he haven't committed any crime. You guys will agree with me that there is no difference between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho, but today what happened? They released Sunday Igboho and just behave as if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is someone different from the belief that Sunday Igboho also have. These are two people that are fighting for the freedom of their people. But what happened? The Nigerians believe that Sunday Igboho was released because he is from Yoruba, is not an Igbo man. They've been saying that I wish Sunday Igboho is an Igbo man. By now, he would have still been in prison just like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Do you agree to that? A lot of people believe that in Nigeria, they maltreat the people from southeastern part of Nigeria, especially the ones that believe that they are Biafrans, especially the ones that believe that they want the country to be divided. Do you know that there are a lot of leaders from the southeastern part of Nigeria hungry for the country to be divided, but they don't even know how to go about it. They don't even know how to start. They know that they have been maltreated in one way or the other. Even in the office, they are just like people that escort others to political parties or to political meetings. But because of the shame, they don't know how to have a U-turn to tell their people that this is what they are passing through in their political meeting. They swallowed everything because of pride, and they don't even know the repercussion of what will happen to them if they pronounce or use their mouth to say they are tired of one Nigeria they want to go. You know they will not take it lightly with that person in a political office. Hence, they choose to swallow their problem. They choose to swallow even when they are being maltreated and they know very well that their right as a person has been tampered with. They don't want to accept it. So my beautiful family, what is your take on all these things that is happening? The response from Barrister Aloy Ejimakor and to so many Nigerians that are asking the Ohanaeze Ndigbo, why will you say they should pardon Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? But if you agree with me, you know that it has been good 4 years that this case is up and down, adjournment upon adjournment, nothing to show for it. So please drop your opinion in the comment section. Do you agree with Ohanaeze Ndigbo saying Tinubu should pardon Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or does it look like they are tired, they have no other option than to just say Tinubu, please pardon Mazi Nnamdi Kanu if he will accept? Or the response from the Vice Counsel Barrister Aloy Ejimakor saying that the Ohanaeze Ndigbo should not use the word pardon. So what is your take? Please do well to drop your opinion in the comment section and do well to share this video. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and there is every reason why you should subscribe to this channel. Thank you and bye-bye.